Trimmers, these bad boys.
Let's go.
See what happens? Post it, let's see what. Yo, it's your main man Ty coming back to you right now with the new joints, man. Right here, I got the low pros right here, man, rocking and rolling, man. Got something new for you, man. Y'all know this thing is hot, man. It's supposed to premiere February 15th, but we have a little bit early in which way. Had this for a while, but I was doing previous videos before this. So I'm gonna get right into the unboxing of the Babyliss Low Pro FX, y'all. Now, first thing we're gonna do is pull this off. Inside right here, as you can see closely, you got the kind of like an instruction thing right here, kind of around on the diagram of the inside of the clipper. It's actually on the box clipper. You take this, pull it out like this. To the side, the Low Pro sitting right in the center. But before we do that, I'm gonna remove this whole section inside here, put it right here, and then drop the inside. Slide it over some. Start off with the cable that's on the inside. Have a nice size cable so you can do it plugged in or without the plug. And you can cut here with it plugged in if you want to. The entire thing is fierce. This is not a USB cord. It's a basic rechargeable cord, or you can plug it so it's cordless or corded. Either way you want to do it. The clipper is awesome. Also, inside you have this pack right here. You can see with oil and different stuff inside them. But the oil, open it up. Never been opened before. Take it, pour this out. Inside the pack comes with the oil. You see right here. Also, blade setter inside here, which you take this part right here, pop it out, and you got the screwdriver. And those screwdrivers used to what? The zero gap, buddy. The zero gap your blade, change your blade, whatever, but zero gap. You just want to stick it right back on the inside of this thing. If you're looking for it, say, might as well come with a screwdriver. It comes with a screwdriver. It's just attached to the blade setup. See? There it is. Also, like the Babyliss brush that come with it. There it is. See that? Also, of course, the key that comes with all the Babyliss products. It's a keychain. But on that keychain, how does this thing open? On the keychain, there is a screwdriver attachment right here. As you can see, the Babyliss screwdriver attachment right here comes with it. Right here. Put on your keychain. Screwdriver always ready to change the blade out, to zero gap in different ways, whatever you need to do. This thing is fierce. Always keep this handy. Always have this handy, okay? Now also, besides that, instruction manual inside here. The Babyliss instruction manual. This bad boy comes with a 2-year warranty as well. Full replacement, which is really awesome, and Babyliss will back it up. Trust me. Also, the box. And the box itself is a nice, beautiful box. Gives you the full breakdown of the Babyliss, basically. Let you know the speed and everything else that comes inside of it. Besides that, I would say that's basically the basics. It tells you about the ultra low sound, the low profile. Tells you about high performance motor, 6,800 RPM, which we're going to verify. Also, the 13,600 SPMs and stuff. Lithium battery. Tons of stuff. 3,300 more capacity battery as well. 2 hours of cordless run time, which is really good when you're dealing with clippers. Trimmers. Because trimmers, you just buzz around the edges, a few things, and then you're done with it. On to the next haircut. Mainly the clippers are going to do most of the work. So this is really good. This is a fierce trimmer. This bad boy is off the chain. Trust me. You're going to love this thing. If you like the FX, the original FX skeletons and the FX3s, let's go to the next level with this bad boy. It's definitely a one-up. Never stay by, buddy. Also, on top of this bad boy, we have the one and only, the Low Pro. This thing is hard. They put this in here hard. This is the Low Pro, baby. Get a look at this bad boy. Get a good look. The Babyliss Low Pro, and this is the same. It's nice, very strong, low sound, and really ferocious, man. It's an altogether gorgeous trimmer with a lot of power in it. And when you cut with it, man, it cuts like, you know what I'm saying? Just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, if you think, this is gonna make your money come up. You know what I'm saying? You remember watching Barbershop, the movie part 2, When the brother said this is king shit. This is king shit right the fuck here. This is king shit. This is the stuff you need to have. You understand? Put this on your list. This bad boy make your money double and triple. I'm telling you, man. Because they'll cut some ends will be fire. When them exits, it turns out to be fire. This thing is badass. I'm telling you. The blade, there it is right there. You see that right there? The blade is fierce as well. The blade is fierce. It's kind of in the light, but the blade is fierce. I'm telling you, man. It's the DLC 2.0 blade, man. Absolutely fierce. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. The weight is really good. Weight distribution is fierce on this. It's nice and comfortable like the FX skeleton. It's very comfortable, nice, easy to use with the little groove in the back. If you can't see that little groove back here, the little indented groove. You put your thumb at here, and then your finger goes into the indentation in the front, right over here. See, it's like right there. You got that real nice. It's just so comfortable. Like when you, it's amazing what the little things, the little T adjustments do to make your stuff, your equipment feel better. You know what I'm saying? They handle better in between your fingers and your, whatever you're doing, when you're leaning that hand under your head up, you're going, you want that feel, the extra, that secure feel. And it just feels so nice and very comfortable. You can just stick it around, doesn't matter. It'll stay in your hand. It feels good. It's set properly. So they took their time to design this bad boy. It is definitely fierce. Babyliss is on top of the game when it comes to innovation. They are on top of the game nowadays. They are actually number one when it comes to innovation. They got to keep up with this company. This company is going places. If they want to completely dominate, they need to put a digital reader. I'm sorry to tell you, but it's a fact. Don't worry about when people, this will come to China, they came up first. Who cares? Everyone's one up from the other one. They build on top of one another. Okay, you got to build. Okay, put that digital reader in this and be straight fire. I mean, you couldn't beat it. I'm telling you, man, but if you're a barber or whatever and you're doing your thing, this is the one to have. This is the one to have. I'm telling you right now. If you don't got it, you have this one, get it. Put it in your arsenal. Put it number one on your arsenal. Put it on your shelf, the one you always go to. This thing will rock, okay? I'll let you know, it's your main man Ty coming to you right now with the Babyliss Low Pro FXs. These bad boys off the chain. You need to get yours today. Don't wait, don't delay. The man told you, and like always, yo, peace.